Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. Now, I thought that my glasses and jewelry were clean. Boy, was I wrong. First of all, let's just check out the before and after of the water after just using this ultrasonic cleaner for a few minutes. I'm shocked. This ultrasonic cleaner has been so useful. I especially liked using this machine for my glasses. You know that part between the frame and the lens that just never you can seem to get clean? Well, after 300 seconds in the ultrasonic cleaner, my glasses came out glistening. Even chunky jewelry that has a lot of nooks and crannies where dirt can hide were no match for this ultrasonic cleaner. My dad's rings came out so shiny. Really happy with the results. And if you have any dental appliances like dentures or a night guard, you know how nasty they can get. My night guard is fairly new and the water was still murky.
And just check out how quiet it is.
This ultrasonic cleaner is a very good size. It doesn't take up a lot of space, but it is powerful. I couldn't get over how much stuff came off of my things. It was kind of gross, but I'm really glad that they're clean now. I'm really happy with the results that this ultrasonic cleaner gave me. You're gonna be blown away too with the results. It's like a transformation right before your eyes. It's incredible. And that's my point of view.